Are you ready to take control of your automation? Move beyond limited workflows and capped executions with a calming, reliable solution. For high-value, low-cost N8N automation with endless possibilities, consider Hostinger's self-hosted N8N VPS hosting. Let me walk you through this novel approach to saving money. Hostinger offers several VPS plans: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8, all designed for self-hosted N8N. When you purchase any of these plans using my special partnership checkout link, you'll receive an extra 20% discount. That's twice the standard 10% coupon code discount. Here's the simple process. I've provided automatically applied coupon codes for all available countries in the description box and comment section, organized by country, currency, and language. After clicking your country's coupon code link, you'll arrive at Hostinger's official website. Navigate to the Services button on the nav bar to view all of Hostinger's hosting plans and services. My 20% discount applies to everything, but we're specifically looking at self-hosted N8N today. Select Self-Hosted N8N to see all available plans. Choose the one that fits your needs. My 20% discount works for all of them. I'm selecting the KVM2 plan, and you'll notice my 20% discount is automatically applied at checkout. A helpful tip: choose the maximum duration available, as Hostinger doesn't offer renewal coupon codes. Important reminder: use a new email address that hasn't been previously registered with Hostinger to access this discount deal. Enjoy your affordable, reliable, self-hosted N8N hosting with Hostinger. Thank you, my friends. Appreciate your support.